Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create or how to make widgets and sidebars. It is very important. The sidebar is a container where is your widget is lying, and the widget is your content area. So log in our WordPress dashboard, and here you see in appearance the widget option. So click on widget, so it is all widgets and it is my main sidebar. The sidebar either is left side or right side or on header side or maybe in footer. So we click on manage with live preview, right? So open in a new tab. So the live preview is open and the back it, and here you see the widgets, right? So we click on widgets and main sidebar edit, right? Main sidebar. So from here I have already added this widgets, my custom HTML. It is my Google AdSense ads, my recent posts, categories, my Google AdSense ad, and blog subscription information. From here I click on edit a widget, and you see there is many options of widgets. From here I want to edit gallery, right? I want to edit a gallery, so click on gallery and you see the gallery option from here, and from here you can edit, select your images. From here I choose some images. I have choose these 3 images. Create a new gallery and insert a gallery. You see our 3 images or gallery is insert, and from here you click on done, and then you click on publish to save the changes. Or gallery is insert, so it is our widget, right? It is also our widgets top pages, and it is also our widgets top post, right? So I have insert many more things, right? So gallery, yes, and categories already. So I insert the tag cloud. So we have insert the tag cloud, right? Click on tag cloud. So link categories, tags. So the tag cloud is inserted right from here. Your tag cloud is inserted, and from here you click on done, show counts. If you click on show counts, the tag counts post will be shown. So check on show tag counts, and it will be show the number of your post, right? But I have hide it. It will be hide, the numbers will be hide, right? Now click on save, click on done, right? And then publish to save the changes. Right, now we visit our website, open a new page. So it is our sidebar, and you see our tag cloud in our sidebar. It is our gallery in sidebar, and it is our tags in our sidebar. right? If you want to edit your widgets in your footer area, right, then you go to the widgets, right, and in widgets you see the header area and the footer area and footer builder widget 2 area, right. I have already added in footer builder widget 1 categories, and the second footer is recent posts and custom HTML. Now I want to edit some tags in footer area, means in that area, right. So we go to our dashboard, go to widgets, and from here I choose the tags, right. So search tag cloud, edit, click on edit, right. So we edit or tag not to on main sidebar right side, not in header, not in footer 1. We have added it to footer builder widget 2, right. So select, and in third option, in first pages and post, and then in third, right, because we have already added 2 things in footer area, right, the post and that option, right. So it is in third option, so click on save widgets, now it will be saved. So we have refresh our page, go to footer area, right, and in footer area you see the text cloud, right. It is your widget, you have added your widget from here. You also added in footer area your gallery, so we have already added a gallery. To see how to edit your gallery into your footer area, right. So go to our widgets area in our dashboard, and then go to gallery. So click on gallery, or you edit direct images from here, right. So we click on gallery, and from here click on gallery, right. So it shows that your sidebar and your position, right. It is the main sidebar and main sidebar position. It is the header, it is the footer 1, and it is the footer 2. So we choose the footer 2, right, because we have only 2 footer 1 and footer 2, right. So we have choose the footer 2 and select the area. We have already added 3 things, and it show the 4 count, right. So it is the 4th number. You may choose the first number or second number, but we choose the last number, 4th, right, and then click on save widgets. So the widget is saved, and then go to our page, right, and then refresh it. There is no gallery here, so the page is refreshed. After refresh it, we will check it. Gallery is not insert where and footer 2 gallery edited, another is fresh. So the gallery is not visible. Where not visible, we see the issue, right. To check out the issue, edit on gallery, right. It is and the footer 4, okay, Oh, right. So we does not edit images in gallery, right? This way it does not show the images, right? So we from here click edit on images, and from here you choose the images, right? 4 images, and we have choose another images. So we have choose the 5 images, create a new gallery, and in columns, 3 columns, right? Insert galleries, right? Now the images will be inserted. So we have choose another 1 images. No, it is the only in the option 2. Before in column in 4th option, 5 in column 5, right? Update, right? And then option, and then save the widgets. Now we refresh our page, it will be shown inshallah. So refresh our page. Now the gallery is visible, right? So in this video we understand what is sidebar and what is your widget. You may change your sidebar from left to right, or from left to bottom, and from bottom to your header, right? It depends on your theme. If your theme is a very great or a paid theme, it may be more option, and if your theme is free, so it will be a minimum option, right? So thank you for watching for this video.